friends, welcome back to my channel. Last year, my coffee and cocoa bar was a huge hit with our guests. This year, I've decided to revamp the space for the Christmas season. I won't be revealing that today. I'll reveal that on an upcoming video. But I did get so many compliments and questions on the cocoa bar last year. I've decided to show you a very quick and inexpensive way to create something similar or with the same function in your space. Today, I'll be creating a hot cocoa bar with only dollar store items. All of these items are available right now at your local Dollar Tree, and some may even be available at the grocery store. It's very inexpensive and very simple to set up, and it's something that I feel that your guests will love. I know that mine did, and I can't wait to redo my coffee and cocoa bar, and I can't wait to show you how to create your own in your space. Before we do that, I'm going to share with you everything that I'm using to create the cocoa bar. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button down below, and if you have any questions on anything that you see, make sure you leave that down in the comments. Stay tuned. This is an empty container from the Yoplait Wii yogurt. I found an adorable gift box. This one is actually a gingerbread house, and it says right on the top there's a cocoa cafe, and the lid comes right off. This one had two different designs. There was this one with the gingerbread, and there was one that I think was Santa's castle, if I'm not mistaken, but I did like this one best. I wasn't sure which size of the boxes I wanted, so I got one of each. I found one box of the silver wire LED lights. There are 12 lights on the string. I found this adorably festive sign. I'm not sure if I'll be using all of these things. I found this adorable snowman scarf. Of course you need hot cocoa. This one is the Swiss Miss Classic with marshmallows. Who wants cocoa without cookies? I found some vanilla sugar wafers and also the Purine cream-filled wafers. These came in dark chocolate hazelnut and chocolate hazelnut. I only picked up 1 tin of them. Can't have cocoa without marshmallows. These are chocolate covered Santa marshmallows. Candy canes. These can also be used as stir sticks in the cocoa. Disposable party cups. And these are thick enough that they can be used for cold or hot beverages. And I have 2 different plastic serving trays. These came in several different designs. Some of the items that I will be using are actually items that previously came from Dollar Tree that they sell on a regular basis. So you'll see those on the cocoa bar too. I have 1 glass milk bottle. These are usually in the same area as the glass vases. I also found this really cute Cookies for Santa plate. Hope today's video inspired you. If you have any questions or comments about anything that you've seen, make sure you leave that down in the comments below. And again, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.